Okay, we have everything cut out, and this is what it will look like, the final piece of the project. Now, in the file, I did this twice, these two images twice, and whatever came from here, I actually made myself a little tag. But this time around, I decided not to do that because honestly, you just do it twice and then poke a hole through it. But the main project will look like this. This is what we got going on here. We have our ribbon that I'm setting aside, and here is our cross. So what we're gonna do first before we do anything else, I am gonna do this right here. Last time I had the hardest time trying to put this in, so I'm just going to do this first. Now, what size of length, it's really all up to you. I'm just going to eyeball it and say right about here. Right about here. And then I'm going to fold it again like that and cut it here. There we go. Now, I would highly, 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 highly recommend using hot glue when you put your oh my word, I have to get my little sticky out. When you're putting your what is this called? Ribbon. My goodness, I really need to have something to snack on. All right. So when you're going to actually do this, I would highly recommend using hot glue when you're doing this, like right there. But for the tutorial purposes, I'm just going to put double-sided tape. Okay. Now, before I actually do that, I'm just going to fold everything because I don't want it to stick to one another. And I did use the dash lines so it could come up on camera a little bit easier and I can see it better. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to remove these right here. If you're hearing gurgling sounds, that's my tummy. It's telling me, hey, go get yourself a snack. Something tasty. Like a steak. All right. Now I'm going to grab my ribbon and I'm just going to feed it through from the front. Whoa. And then right here. Like that. Again, you don't have to put double-sided tape. Glue, super glue, anything would be better than double-sided tape here. I'm just doing this for the tutorial, just to have it go smoothly like that. See? There you go. Just like that. All right. Now, this is my acetate, which I got from the Dollar Tree assortment bags in their wedding section. And this is what it looks like. I just opened it up and had my machine cut it out. And all I'm going to do is put some glue. I think I'm running out of glue. Looks like I am. Okay. Now, there's a good side and a bad side. This is a good side. This is the bad side. It's a lot shinier on this side than it is on this side. And do I want it like this or do I want it like this? You know, I think I kind of want it all the stuff on the top going downward. Like that. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. That just needs to take a sec to dry. Okay, like that. All right. Now we just have to flip it. See? Like that. I'm not sure if you can see it. You just saw it for a second. There we go. And honestly, you're not going to see a lot of it because, of course, we're going to have to put the cross right in the middle. And of course, and we have a good side and a bad side. And it looks like this is my bad side. So I'm going to put it on there. So the first thing I'm going to do is line these up. It goes just like that. This is going to go right there first. It's going to give it a nice little three-dimensional look. And I'm just having it on the bottom there. Now I'm going to put this right on top. Okay. I'm going to put this right in the middle, just like that. Okay. And then it's going to look like it's floating, which is kind of cool. And this, I'm going to put a little popped up on there. I'm not even going to put glue on there. So I'm going to have that stick out, just to make it look like it's draping. Okay. All right. Look at that. Oh, ta-da! That is actually kind of nice. I like it. All right, now we're going to assemble everything together. First things first, I'm going to put a little glue right here. And I'm not even going to bother with a double-sided tape, because I really want this to hold. And I'm just going to fold. That's going to line up just like that. Okay. Oh, and of course, the tape. This is why I said I recommend hot glue. It was trying to stick to itself. Okay. Now we're going to put a little glue here, and glue here. So first thing, glue here, glue here, glue here. I'm going to fold that like that. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here. Like that. Now, to make sure everything's sticking together, we're going to flip this over like that. And then get the most important tool, which is our pencil. And make sure it's pressed down in there. It's a little dark in there, so it's kind of hard to see. Okay, and there we go. Now, if you really want to have that tag, all you have to do is just duplicate this, and that's it. This will already be cut out. This little stencil, this little blue part or green part will be right there for you. Thank you so much for purchasing this file. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I am more than happy to help. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.